This is that matter where, my lord, the summons were questioned, being outside the purview of the investigation. My lord, we have filed a response affidavit, additional affidavit, indicating that pretty much whatever we had, we have given without prejudice to our rights. We have given that. And
Yes.
and now, my lord, I just want to briefly state, my lord, the facts of the case. The fact of the case is that there was a source information to the CBI for the purposes of initiating a proceeding against one Chanchal Mukherjee, my lord, who was supposed to be the CCM or something of Bridge and Roof. That FIR was lodged, and my lord, they went and for the purpose of trapping him, my lord, taking the bribe from one of the persons who's supposed to be Maharana, to Maharana father, Maharana son. My lord, thereafter, my lord, they go to the particular office of Chanchal,
Yes.
and then say that that a blue-colored shirt wearing person comes out of the car, and then they drive towards Nandankan and some area from Forest Park into around that, my lord. Then they say that in the car, my lord, Chanchal gets into the car. My lord, that is and gets into.
This is the case where the CBI is asking for certain documents.
Yes, yes. We have given most of them. I'm only saying further, my lord, I just want to indicate, my lord, the scope against a particular office, a PSU. My lord, my lord, I was arrested. The arrest memo, my lord, is in the additional affidavit, my lord, dated 28/1/2005. May I take, my lords?
No, last time I asked you to file the document. Let us come to that. I understood it now. I remember.
My lord,
please
which is in the additional affidavit.
Copy of the same has also been supplied from.
We have filed the documents.
Yes.
Whatever we have,
and all the documents as per this list, the list in the annexure, just come
Yes.
to page,
Yes.
page one series, annexure one series.
Yes.
The document which you are
Yes.
seeking, all the documents are placed on record here.
My lord, the documents that are there with me, my lord, we have filed, and we have filed an additional
I told you to
affidavit
file an
saying
affidavit.
that these, my lord,
What are the documents available? Have you given
yes,
those?
my lord, we have filed the affidavit.
Let's come to that.
No, that's not been given.
Yes, yes.
Probably the
Additional affidavit has been filed.
there is a communication gap. Those documents are actually wanted to be produced here. We have not been able to file by your
The file, that is the only thing I
let's take it up for this limited purpose tomorrow. We will file.
The additional affidavit
on those documents which you have provided to them to be filed before the court here.
No, that's what I'm saying. See, by way of a summon, they are demanding some document. Through an authorized representative, you are challenging that. I said that whatever document you have placed it on record, I will give it in finish.
So that will be concluded.
At least things will start moving.
We'll file it.
The reason I told you to file an affidavit. What are the documents? They are asking all the documents, place it on record.
Right, communication gap.
Let this matter.
Follow what I think.
They have filed an affidavit explaining what these documents are about. But it is already on record.
The explanation, they will do it. Why should you go?
We will file it.
Only they need the document for the purpose of investigation. There is an issue you don't want to give. I asked you to place on record so that at least the CBI should get those documents and they'll go ahead with the investigation. If they find something, then we will see.
Your Lordship, the documents, Your Lordships, at this stage, this is only the stage of the summons. He has already been arrested. Your Lordship, this is a private thing between the CBI and the accused at this stage, Your Lordships. Lordships, at the summoning stage, Your Lordships, why should the court interfere in 482?
Then I am not interfering. I am just trying to help you out.
And Your Lordships, whatever the
all documents so that your investigation will go on. I am trying to help him that the summoning order which you have given.
Yes.
Seeking them to produce documents. All the documents, I'll ensure that all documents are given to you. That's all.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Not beyond that.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So that you can start proceeding with in accordance with the law.
But Your Lordship, their explanation that this document is not available, we will not give them. I am
That
not
will
the
see. That will see. That document is not there. Whatever reference you want to draw. No problem. Whatever documents are there, at least you should get it, so that you can proceed further.
whatever
That's the
documents-
idea.
And whatever document is not there, Your Lordship, the police officer will continue investigation to find out how the
You
documents
have right. Nobody can in the earth can stop you. Do it. Whatever. Let us you give the documents only. Let us see. Give those documents. Let us sort it out so that we can.
File it.
Yes.
Can I have a little submission? Subject to my lord's permission.
What written submission?
No written
First of all, I should not interfere in the summoning. Says somebody. The CBI has asked, issued a notice to you
That is the
to
point.
authorize the representative to give the document. Why should I
Let's her
interfere?
argue. Your Lordship, let her argue the matter. I'll reply it now.
I am interfering in the investigation itself.
Lordship will interfere. There are two judgments. Lordship will interfere.
Don't go in so far. Give the document. Let us see. Find out.
Will provide.
It may so happen that they may not require further document.
I will
Let
file
us-
it first.
let us-
Let us see there.
Let us have a practical approach to the entire issue. Give the document.
I only limited submission, subject to Lord. I will definitely comply with it.
Yes, yes.
Filing, but only one line submission. Lord, there are 99 Supreme Court and 99 Odisha and 2006 Supreme Court, two judgments. Documents, summons for production of document must have a forbearance with the allegations in the FIR. There are two judgments. Unless it is connected to the allegation in the FIR, you cannot make a roguing inquiry. There are two judgments. And from
You say that these documents are irrelevant for the purpose.
absolutely relevant.
So how does Your Lordship's order 172(3) of the CRPC?
Absolutely relevant. There are two judgments. I'll cite and from the facts of this case, I'll satisfy. Tomorrow,
Sir, how
coming documents, then we'll place.
Get the document.
Right. But
Sir,
let
how-
us first complete my lord's observation, then we'll come.
Get the document, whatever relevant.
Right, my lord,
According to you, at least
Lord,
give
we
those
have
things.
regards for your lordship's observation,
Ah.
comply with first, then we'll.
Whatever documents are at least you think relevant. See, you will decide what is relevant or not. Who can
That's
decide?
a pure question, debatable question and
How does
question
the
of
accused
law.
know that?
Like that, with referring to the judgment, Lord, will file those documents before my lords. We are protected in the hands of my lords, my lord. Let it come on Monday. Lord, your lordship documents will be on my lord's board. Then proceed further.
Okay,
Lord.
Monday. Okay, Monday.
Monday, Your Lordship, I'm not available, Your Lordships. Monday, I'm not, I have some problem, difficulty.
Monday, I will not conclude. Let them file the document first. Monday, let it come.
Very.
Let it come.
Great.
But this
I'll accommodate you, Mr. Naik. Don't worry. I'll
last date of
accommodate
hearing
you.
was not present, they started
Let them file
arguing.
the
Your Lordship.
document. Let them file the document. I'll take preliminary on Monday and I'll accommodate you. I'll not pass any order on that day. Okay? Be sure about it. Monday, you file the document first. Only for the purpose of filing the documents.
That's
Definitely.
because Your Lordship, last date of hearing when I was not present, they started arguing. They should not argue so that I can counter.
No,
also.
I'll not entertain. Don't worry.
But argue, have you, Mr. Naik?
He has passed an injunction order against you.
You are passing an injunction. Hotline 1 is not applicable here.
And is Mr. Naik available, my lord?
Hotline 1 is not available here.
You file the document with.
This is BNS and BNSS code. CPC is not applicable. Okay.